everyone, if your table is flooded with duplicate values, if you delete them and they suddenly reappear, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 2 ways to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. First, let's learn how to delete duplicates under our control and then automatically. Let's get started. Maybe you didn't know, but duplicates are afraid of bright light, so let's highlight them. To do this, choose Format and click on Conditional Formatting. After that, the wonderful world of conditional formatting opens up to us. Here we need to select the range in which we are going to search for duplicates. You can select either a single column or a whole table. I select several columns at once. Now we need to write a formula that will search for duplicates. To do this, open the Format Cells If menu, scroll to the bottom and select Custom Formula Is. In the value of the formula, write count if, then our range, and after a comma, the address of the first cell A1. Then we close the bracket and say that we only count cells with more than one identical value, more than one. And then you only have to choose the style that will be applied to such cells. That's up to you. I'm going to leave the default style. Let's check what we have done. I enter the number 44 in different cells and nothing happens. Why? Because we forgot the equal symbol, because it's a formula. At the same moment, the duplicate value is highlighted. After that, it's not hard to delete them. If you find this method a bit difficult, I present you the fastest way to instantly remove duplicates. To do this, select the Data section at the menu. In the section, click on the Data Cleanup and select Remove Duplicates. Also, you can trim white space here. Click on Remove Duplicates. Oops, we forgot to select the range. Let's fix that. I select the columns, select Remove Again. Check if your table has a header, so you don't accidentally remove it too. Here you can also select again the columns in which to look for duplicates. Remove duplicates. No duplicates are found, because in this case, unlike the previous one, duplicates are searched not by cells but by rows. That is, only completely identical rows are removed. Let's check it again and select only one column. Click Delete Duplicates again. Confirm Remove Duplicates. The duplicates are removed, but the cells are shifted upwards. This is not good. That's why the most correct option is to select the row completely. Let's do that. Select Data Cleanup, Remove Duplicates, and select the necessary columns, for example A and B. And we have deleted 2 rows with the repeated text How to. Personally, I miss the option of automatic deletion of cells without upward shift. Well, for this case, I use the first option with highlighting duplicates and manual deletion. It's more reliable. I mean, who knows what this artificial intelligence will do. Thank you for watching to the end. Good luck in mastering the world of tables and all the best.